Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are nesting. I'm making this into a series because there are several places in our house that I want to deep clean, declutter before baby girl comes. And so today we are starting with the kitchen. I have a long list here, and I would also like to do the pantry. So depending on my energy levels, I may get that done today or maybe do it tomorrow. But overall, I want to declutter a lot of this stuff in here and just kind of move stuff around because we got a sideboard now in our dining room, and so I want to put all of our serveware in there. And we just need to make a little bit more room for baby girl and all of her stuff. So things that I would like to get done today is move my cookbooks, organize these cupboards. Thankfully, not all of them need to be done. Like, this is my spice drawer or cabinet back here, and thankfully that doesn't need to be done. Declutter coffee cups, move serveware into the dining room, organize underneath the sink, organize pantry, wipe down cabinets, wipe down microwave, deep clean, you name it. So I'm not gonna waste any more breath, so let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with coffee cups and cups because this is something that is very long overdue. And honestly, a majority of these coffee cups have been gifted to me, and you would think that 8 people live here and they all drink coffee, but no, it is just me in this house who drinks coffee, so this is way too much. I'm also gonna take some of this stuff out and wipe everything down because we're already here, why not? I am already feeling so much better. We have way more space. And this is all of the stuff that I pulled out. Okay, so we are cruising through. We got one thing checked off our list. Next is this cabinet. I'm thinking this is what we will use for the baby. So I want to put all of these and honestly, like, this entire thing is going to go on our sideboard in the dining room. And so I'm very excited to switch all of this around and have more space in here. These are all that I really have left, and so thankfully this will be a clean slate. Thankfully, underneath here actually isn't that bad since I've decluttered this and cleaned it not too long ago, but it still needs wiped down, and I'm just going to give it a quick little organize and then we will be done. So this cabinet has honestly been the worst ever since we've moved in here. This has kind of just been like a catch-all, put it in here, don't think about it, out of sight, out of mind kind of cabinet. And so I'm excited to actually, I'm excited to actually put some structure to this. This was probably the easiest drawer or cabinet to do so far, simply because there's just such random stuff in here. But I am sure in the future this will become something else. But for now, it just keeps this little recipe holder, cake pan, pie pan, little thing I want to put out for Valentine's Day, and then my tea kettle and a random little jar. So this has been probably the one cabinet that I have not been looking forward to organizing and decluttering, simply because it's also a catch-all place and it's very deep. It goes all the way back to the wall. And so that means there's a bunch of stuff in there, and I'm not looking forward to bringing it all out, but I'm excited for it to actually be organized because it's been way too long. Okay, last but not least is this portion of the kitchen in the decluttering and organizing. I'm going to see how much of the serveware that I can fit into the cabinet. I fear that it is going to be full to the brim, so I'm not sure if everything will actually stay in there. For instance, I have this massive bowl that I don't use very often, and some of these serveware stuff that I would love to go in the sideboard to just make more room. But we will see if that will work at all or not. But in the meantime, in my head, it is going to work, so let's figure it out. We finally got the hard part done, which was decluttering and organizing. I have an entire box full of stuff that will go towards our church's yard sale, so I'm thankful for that. But now it is the easy part, which is just wiping down all of these cabinets. I'm going to pull back a bunch of this stuff and just wipe it down, and then wipe down the countertops, clean the stainless steel and the microwave because it really needs it. Thankfully I don't need to do the refrigerator, but other than that, that will be it. So let's get started because I'm getting tired. Okay, I have been working on and editing this kitchen declutter organizing video, and I realized that it is very long, and so I'm actually going to split the kitchen and pantry video. So the pantry video will be its own because, I kid you not, it is literally a tornado in there and it will take forever for me to finish. And so therefore I am ending off today's video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope I see you in the next one, and hopefully I am able to get all this stuff done before baby girl comes. See y'all next time.